All right, turtle shells. We talked about in class that this is a second because it's stuck close together. And then you follow along and you get to the third because it's stacked up nice and neat. Then you keep going, a little gap between, it's called a fourth. There's our fourth, the gap in between. Then you follow along, nicest sound I've ever heard. This is the fifth, okay? So they skip a line and go from line to line, and that's a fifth. Another way to easily remember is when you look at here, it says a 2, so that's a second. That's your second and first finger, your thumb and your index finger. So that's a second. And then a third with your third finger, boom. Fourth with your fourth finger, and a fifth with your fifth finger. And your thumb always stays there on that middle C. All right, so here it is. Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. When they're stacked up nice and neat, it's called a third. And with a little gap between, it's called a fourth. And that's the nicest sound I've ever heard. Oh! So that's how you play turtle shells.